Thriving in health. During retirement abroad. How to stay healthy while retired abroad. Did you know that nearly 40% of retirees living abroad struggle with maintaining their health in their new environment? Moving overseas is exciting, but it also comes with unique health challenges. Let's explore how you can thrive in retirement while enjoying your life abroad. Retiring abroad offers endless adventures, from immersing yourself in a new culture to basking in the beauty of foreign landscapes. But living your dream retirement overseas requires prioritizing your health. Without it, even the most picturesque destinations can lose their charm. Today, we'll uncover practical tips to help you stay healthy, happy, and thriving while living abroad in retirement. Retirement abroad might sound idyllic, but it comes with its own set of challenges. Access to healthcare. Not all countries offer the same standard of healthcare, and navigating foreign medical systems can be daunting. Adapting to new environments. Changes in climate, cuisine, and lifestyle can take a toll on your body, especially if you have pre-existing conditions. Loneliness and isolation. Moving away from friends and family can lead to feelings of isolation, which can impact mental health. These challenges are real but manageable with the right strategies. Let's dive into how you can overcome them. Research before you move. Look into healthcare facilities in your chosen destination. Check if they offer English-speaking staff, modern equipment, and services that suit your needs. Invest in international health insurance. Ensure you're covered for emergencies, routine checkups, and any specific treatments you might need. Join local fitness groups or walking clubs. Exploring your new surroundings on foot is not only great exercise, but also a fun way to meet people. Consider yoga or Tai Chi, which are gentle yet effective practices perfect for retirees. Embrace local cuisine. Discover the health benefits of regional foods, but be mindful of portion sizes and nutritional balance. Cook at home. Shopping at local markets can be both economical and a great way to ensure a healthy diet. Build a support network of expats and locals to avoid isolation. Engaging in community activities can greatly enhance your mental well-being. Stay in touch with loved ones through video calls and regular visits. Let me share the story of John and Mary, a retired couple who moved to Portugal. Initially, they struggled with the language barrier when accessing healthcare and felt out of place in their new environment. But by joining a local expat group, they discovered a supportive community and valuable advice on healthcare providers. They also embraced Portugal's Mediterranean diet, improving their overall health. Today, they say moving abroad was the best decision of their lives. Adapt to the climate. Dress appropriately, stay hydrated, and take precautions against extreme weather. Stay informed, learn about any endemic diseases in your region, and get the necessary vaccinations. Keep your mind sharp. Take up a new hobby, learn the local language, or volunteer. Mental stimulation is as important as physical health. Retiring abroad can be one of the most fulfilling chapters of your life, but your health must remain a priority. By planning ahead, staying active, eating well, and fostering connections, you can enjoy the adventure of living overseas while staying in top form. Have you or someone you know retired abroad? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to explore our other videos on living your best life in retirement.